When I was young, I was really obsessed with these stories about Qigong masters, where you'd hear about the old sage in the Himalayas or on the Chinese sacred mountain, and there was this Taoist mystic who could somehow perform miracles by doing all their little Qigong breath movements every day. Now, studying Qigong has been a piece of me studying Chinese medicine, and I've always been curious about what it could really do, and why I should honestly do that over exercise or do that over something else that I already really enjoy doing, that I know is going to help me live a long and a healthy life. Well, in this video, I want to share what I learned doing Qigong on and off for truly about a year. And even though I'm sharing that it's about 30 days here, I want to share some of the experiences that I had. Hey, Alex Hine, author of the book Master the Day. Now I've included, the first link in the description is a free download for a PDF, like an infographic, which is 5 daily rituals that can help you add 10 years to your life with traditional or classical Chinese medicine. So if you want, you can click the first link in the description to download that, and then you're gonna get that sent right to your inbox. So the first thing that I noticed after doing Qigong is this idea that I call somatic sensing. So one thing I've noticed that's different regarding exercise and Qigong is that I've been going to the gym for 10-15 years, and I can do an hour-long weight workout and still have cold hands a little bit. Now the difference, when I'm doing Qigong, within 5 minutes my hands are warm and even hot. Now I think just subjectively in terms of, think about what that means for circulation, and think about what that means in terms of, in Chinese medicine there's a saying that the Qi guides the blood, or the Qi precedes the blood. So if blood is coming, then Qi is moving. So what's crazy is that how could I possibly exercise for an hour, and yet for whatever reason I'm not getting circulation to some of my extremities? In Chinese medicine, one of the reasons for doing Qigong is that it's supposed to be able to, number one, you begin to have a better radar for what's going on in your body. It helps develop this subjective sense of where are things not working? Where is the flow interrupted? Now that could be as obvious as I'm bloated, or I feel a weird stuffy sensation in my chest, or my hip hurts. But beyond that, doing Qigong is supposed to allow you to feel certain qualities of your patient better, or the person you're treating. So for example, it's allow you to get a better accurate diagnosis, a more accurate diagnosis doing pulse. It's supposed to allow you to feel things you ordinarily can't feel in regard to just palpating a person, like massaging. Just palpating a person and seeing what's going on with the channels in the body. So for me, this subjective feeling of warmth was very interesting.